Hello, and thank you for watching Engage Black's demo video on installing client software for Linux operating system for our BlackVault HSM. We have more demo videos that cover a variety of topics on our website as well. Depending on your operating system, Windows or Linux will be suitable for you. Alright, let's get started with Linux. There are two different types of Linux that we support. We support Red Hat based and Debian based. And what I mean by that is that there will be two different packages on the BlackVault setup CD. We have deb packages and we have RPM packages. So whichever one you need to use, you can use it. We are going to show you how to install the Debian package. To install, open up a terminal. Once the terminal is open, you enter the package manager that you use. For this, we are going to use dpackage. The installer installs a directory with the user guides, libraries, and configuration. It also installs a series of utilities, BV upgrade, BV tool, and BV import. The last thing it installs is the library. Press enter and enter the password for your user. The installer will install the software. All the package managers are going to be different. That's all there is to it. And that completes our demo video of part 2 setting up client software for Engage Black's BlackVault HSM. For further information, check out our other videos on our website. If you still have any further questions, contact our customer support and we will be happy to help. Thank you for watching.